Katina, I hope you're all doing well. I just had a snack and I'm wondering as I'm filming this introduction to the next video if I have things in my teeth. Sorry, I hope that it doesn't show if it's the case. So I just discovered for weight loss a tool that's very interesting for anyone trying to lose weight, meaning that what do you need to do as far as workout goes depending on what you eat. So I'm going to give you an example. It's called myfitnesspal.com. So I'm assuming it's American. I'm not sure, but it's in English. Myfitnesspal.com. So I was looking for, something to tell me exactly what the calories are. I think I was looking for an omelet, an oven baked omelet that my husband did this morning, and I found this MyFitnessPal. And what it does is that you enter the meal that you have or the food that you have, and then it's going to tell you what kind of workouts you need to do and how long do you need to work out to burn the calories that you just had. So just to give you an idea, I took one thing that you never think that it's going to be that many calories. A portion of chocolate cake with icing is 712 calories. That's 712 calories. That's a lot. One piece of chocolate cake, one portion, it's not this kind of portion. It's a big portion. It's a big calorie it's a lot of calories for a small piece of cake. So I'm not sure exactly what, but just for example, chocolate cake with icing, very important, because if you take out the icing and just the cake, you can maybe save 200 calories. So 1.8 hours of cycling, 1.2 hours of running, and 4.3 hours of cleaning. Can you imagine how clean your house will be if you do 4 hours just for that one piece of cake? So that goes to show that the calories is just a way of measuring things. I don't want you guys, anyone trying to lose weight, I don't want you to become obsessed the way that I am with calories. It's just a way of measuring things, but once you get the hang of it, what portion is best for you and what's too much and what's not enough. So it's just a question of habit. So for the other examples, we're going to do a voiceover and I'm going to show you some example with images. So here we go. So if you have a portion of baked omelet, so like an omelet with vegetables in it and a little bit of potatoes, and you bake it in the oven, it's 323 calories. And you need to burn that off, you need to do 49 minutes of cycling. I'm assuming it's indoor cycling, like on a stationary bike. It's not 50, it's not 45, it's 49 minutes. 33 minutes of running and 1.9 hours of cleaning the house. It's kind of funny, actually, that they do that as an example. 1 cup of spaghetti, and I'm assuming here that 1 cup of the pasta, there's no sauce or anything or butter or whatever cream on it. It's just the pasta. 210 calories. By the way, it's not that much if you think about it. Like, measure 1 cup of spaghetti and you'll see that it's a good portion. You think that maybe you feel deprived and you'll still be hungry, but in my opinion, I don't think so. So if you add sauce without meat, let's say, or with a little bit of tofu, it's actually pretty healthy, contrary to what you may imagine. So for 1 cup of spaghetti, 32 minutes cycling, 21 minutes of running, and 1.2 hours of cleaning. myfitnesspal.com. You can enter whatever you want. I mean, everything is in there. So it's very interesting to read this, and it's easy to understand as well. So 1 portion of Caesar salad would be 200 calories, 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes of cycling, 20 minutes of running, and 1.2 hours of cleaning the house. Then my last example is chicken breast. 1 cup of chicken breast, that's pretty high in calorie, 460 calories. It doesn't say if it was fried or oven, but let's say that it's oven baked. okay, just so that you have a higher calories instead of the opposite. Otherwise, you might not measure properly. So 1.1 hours of cycling, 47 minutes of running, and 2.8 hours of cleaning. So I really like sugar, I really like chocolate, and I crave these kinds of desserts. So 700 calories, in my opinion, it's a fairly good portion of a chocolate cake. So if you really want to have cake, you can have a small slice, maybe that's 250 calories or so. Either you take out the icing or you take a really small cupcake, like those that you find at the grocery stores, and at least you won't feel deprived. For me, the best advice that I can give you that can work for myself and for everybody, I believe, if you know that you want something specific, just choose the one meal, the one thing that you want to have that day, and the rest of the day or the other meals that you have are healthy. So this is the best way, in my opinion, to feel like you're not completely restrictive in your diet. So good luck, you guys. Have a nice day.